Cincinnati down by 2 scores, punting away. Why are we showing this to you? We show it to you because of a big hit there, obviously illegal catch interference on the punt. But the play ends up on the sideline here, and there are some people having differences here after they saw their teammate get popped like that. Watch the cameras. Brian Flores comes out, and both teams, the benches look like it emptied from the Cincinnati sideline, and there's, what, 20, 30 Miami Dolphins that are over onto the Bengals near sideline there to confront Cincinnati. Okay, everybody looks like they're calming down now, but a vicious hit on the special teams sets things off a bit between the Bengals and the Dolphins.